Yes, 1937.
Um, it will be like meal,
Hmm?
meal, nerve, saw,
Very good.
tron,
Very
tron,
good.
sep, tron, sep.
Very good. Perfect. Perfectly done. Very good. Okay. Now one last one. 19. Oh, I'll give you two. Okay, two more. 19.
Look on the
70.
screen light.
What?
Can you write on the screen light?
Screen? Oh, okay, okay. Yeah. Sure. I can see.
Maybe.
Should I send it in the comment box? Because here I'm not getting an option to write.
Yes, yes.
Send it on the comment box. Okay.
Okay.
So keep the lab. Yeah. Mm. So this is one, and I am sending you one more. Is
Okay. Meal, meal, nerve, meal, nerve,
very
and wait. Song, no, no.
very
These,
good. Real love song. Real love song.
song, song,
Croissant.
for song,
Do. See?
do, for song,
Ah,
do, yes,
see?
yes. Yeah,
Yes,
do.
you got it. Ah. Now, what will be 1894? Very good. You're doing right.
Meal,
Hmm?
meal, week, saw, and
Very good. What is
and
90?
92.
94. 4. There's 94 now.
Yes, yes, 94. Um, what was the
Just
90? What was the
uh,
90?
90 is, see, 90 is 80 plus 14. 94 is 80 plus 14. What was 80? Think. Just give me a minute, okay? I'll keep my laptop for charge or else it will get dead. Just give me a minute.
Vingt-quatre.
Tell me, what is 94?
What was the
What is
90?
80? Wait. So, 94 is 80 plus 14. So, what is 80? Think what is 80?
Vingt-quatre. Quatre-vingts.
That
Quatre-vingts.
is
Yeah,
80. And what is
quatre-vingts.
14?
14.
14. 1 4. 14.
One four, yes. Um, 14.
14. Very good. So 94 is 14. See?
Quatre-vingts.
14. So tell me the whole thing once again. 1894. How will you say that?
1894, we will say meal,
Very good.
meal, cat,
Huh?
sang.
Meal wheat song. Meal wheat song, right?
Yes, yes.
So after that, what is 94? Wheat
Song,
song.
um, sang, no, 80,
14.
80, 14, 14.
Okay. So Meal wheat song is 1800. That is meal wheat song. Now, if you want to say 94, 94 is 80 plus 14. You segregated 94 into 80 plus 14. Now, you know what's 80. It is 80. You know what's 14. It is 14. Combine it together. 80, 14, 94. So, the whole thing is meal wheat song 80, 14. You understood?
Okay.
You understood?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so you revise the numbers because it's important or else you'll forget. Okay, so
Yes,
revise
yes,
it.
I'll revise.
Yeah. Okay, so we'll move forward now. We did these questions last time. Okay, we were on time. Did we do time? I guess we have done it.
Yes, yes.
We've done it, right? Yeah. Okay, the fourth question. Okay, we'll be doing the fourth question. Yeah. What is it? Okay, yeah. Fourth question. Vous êtes Céline or Ronald? C'est votre anniversaire de 30 septembre. Vous organisez une soirée chez vous le 30 septembre à 18h. Écrivez une invitation à votre ami Marie ou Paul. So, the question means, okay, now I'll explain you the question. Vous êtes Celine or Roland? You are Celine or Roland? What do you want to become?
Um,
Celine or Roland?
silly. Roland, of course, Roland.
Roland. Very good. Okay. So, vous êtes Roland. So, you are Roland. It's your birthday. Say votre anniversaire means it's your birthday. When is your
Yes.
birthday? On 30 September. Okay. Now,
Okay.
vous organisez une soirée means you are organizing a party. Une soirée, a party. Chez vous means at your place. Okay. When are you organizing the party? On 30 September. When is your birthday? On 30 September. You are organizing a party on 30 September. At what time? 6 p.m. 6 o'clock in the
Next
evening.
year.
Yes. So you are
Yes.
organizing a party at your birthday party on 30 September at 6 p.m. in the evening. Écrivez une invitation à votre ami. So you have to write an invitation to your friend. Votre ami means your friend. Marie or Paul. Who you want to choose to become your friend? Marie or Paul?
Yes.
Invitation to who you wish to write an invitation to Marie or Paul?
Paul.
Paul. Okay. So now this is that you are Roland. It is your birthday on 30 September. You are organizing a party at your place on 30 September at 6 p.m. in the evening. You are writing an invitation to your friend Paul. You understood the question?
Yes.
Okay, now how will you write the invitation? See, we had the format at the beginning of the lesson. See, there was an invitation.
Yes. First we will organize. First we will say our name. Then
Wait,
we will say
first you will say share. Share is dear. What is share? See, first what will you write is share. Share is dear. And the name of the person you are writing. Whom are you writing the invitation to?
Louis.
Not here. Whom are you writing the invitation to in the question?
Paul. Paul.
So what will you write? Dear Paul. What will you write? Share Paul.
For
Okay.
Paul.
So who?
For my anniversary.
Wait.
It means it is my birthday.
Yeah. So I'm saying whomsoever you are writing the invitation to. First step is that you'll write dear. Dear Paul, dear Philip, because you are writing an invitation. So first there will be dear and the name of the person you are writing the
डैशबोर्ड पे
invitation to.
क्लासेस पोस्ट
The
होती
first
हैं,
step
2
is
मंथ्स की
clear.
गारंटी दी जाती है आपको, 2 मंथ्स के अंदर हम आपको डैशबोर्ड प्रोवाइड करते हैं, ठीक है?
Okay.
ये नहीं है कि
The first step is
क्लासेस
clear.
नहीं होती है, लास्ट में
Yes,
होती है ना
yes.
कि आप चेक कर सकते हैं डैशबोर्ड ओपन
Now
करके
the
कि
next one.
पूरी क्लास होल्ड
Now
हुई है,
you said
ठीक है?
same on
और
anniversary. You
दूसरी
said
बात है
that.
तो
That's what you will
अलग-अलग
write.
टीचर होते
Same
हैं
on
मतलब
anniversary. You also said the meaning. It is my birthday. Very good.
देखिए
Okay.
क्लास यहाँ पे
Now,
कंफर्म
what
होती
will
है,
you
नहीं
write
होती,
the date?
क्लास नहीं
Same
होती,
on
क्लास नहीं होती
anniversary.
है।
When
एंड
is your
तीसरी
birthday
रिगार्डिंग
in
आप
the
बात कर रहे
question?
हो कि 5 to 6 का, तो ये होता है
La
सर अलग-अलग
from
पेरेंट्स होते हैं, अलग-अलग मीनिंग
September.
शुरू होते हैं। मतलब कि
Right.
हमारे यहाँ होते हैं
Yeah.
बर्थडे
So
को
you'll
बोलिए
write
थ्री
same on
हंड्रेड सिक्सटी कर देता
anniversary.
फोर हंड्रेड
Let's
फाइव
on
हंड्रेड सिक्स हंड्रेड
September.
सेवन
Feb. Yeah.
ठीक है, इस
Next
अराउंड
one.
में
What
ये
will
पे
you
करते
write?
हैं। तो ये नहीं है कि एक ही मतलब कि पेरेंट्स है कि
Next
एक ही
paragraph.
अपने आप पे कर
The
सकते हैं, नहीं। एंड जो
organize
सेकंड बात है, आप डैशबोर्ड एक बार ओपन करके नीचे आप
tour
डैशबोर्ड ओपन करके नीचे देखोगे तो
Soiree.
ये सारी क्लासेस पोस्ट हुई है, और 2 मंथ्स
Are
की वैलिडिटी इसलिए दी जाती है, 2 मंथ्स के अंदर जब आपको
Mua
डैशबोर्ड
uh,
Very
प्रोवाइड
good.
कराते हैं।
Time. What was the time?
um sees
No,
says
no, no. See, the time was given here. You want to see again? See it here. See what is the time?
18 is 6 now.
Yeah, so you can't write 6 p.m., right? You have to write 18 these with
मैम देखिए आज ना एक
Okay.
बार वैसे पोस्ट नहीं होती है,
So
ठीक है,
it
आज
is
पोस्ट नहीं
these
होती
with
है,
What will you
मतलब
write the
आज
time here?
नहीं होती है, तो यही है। तो ये नहीं